Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm at the entrance to Khlong Phlu waterfall. Probably said that wrong, nothing new there. But anyways, it's about a 600-meter hike, so we're gonna mosey our way on up that way, and this will be today's video. I'll gab about yesterday while we're on the way, but it was pretty cool. Breakfast at Annie P's yesterday was really good. Thoroughly enjoyed it. And after that, I went and down to Lonely Beach. It's kind of a little sad there because a lot of it's still closed. I went to one of my friend's bars, and yeah, it was like the busiest bar there. Had like 3 or 4 people going on. And that was about it. But any other bars I walked by had like nothing. There were no people there at all. Kind of sad, but still enjoyed being there, visiting some friends. Still a few people there from when I was there last time, but for now it's wander through the jungle and go Swadee Cup, Swadee Cup, Swadee Cup. Yeah. Yes, YouTube. Photo bomb, yay, gotta like that. But hey, there's people here anyways, that's good. It's nice to, yeah, there's seen a few people coming and going before I started recording, but spin the camera around a little bit, try and look down. I'm not expecting too much from the waterfall when I get there because that creek looks a little low. So we'll spin her around and continue hiking on up the trail. It's not that far. It's only like about 500-600 meters according to the sign. So let's see what things have to say and enjoy the scenery, because it's like really nice. I like this. And it is so much cooler in the jungle here than out in the blazing sun. Not that I'm complaining about the blazing sun, because I think right now back where I'm from it's like -11, -10 Celsius. If you're American and happen to be watching that, I'm sorry, I don't know the Fahrenheit temperature. But it's all good. Oops. Stepping up, stepping up. Yes, all that rattling you hear is my man purse with all my little tourist decoration thingies, keychains hanging off of it that I picked up from various places. Okay, come on, turn around, turn around, turn around, damn it. Yep. Kind of really debating whether or not I want to stick with the gimbal I'm using or switch over to a selfie stick kind of thing. Not really sure how I want to go about doing that. I kind of, oops, wrong way. Been a while since I actually used my gimbal, so right is right, left is left. Ooh, more people. Swadee Cup. Hey boss, how's it going? Yep. Yes. I knew I was gonna be hiking while I was here. That's why I brought these shoes. Yeah. Ooh, it's a sign. What does it say? Okay, down, 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 down. Okay. Hardwood roots on all sides of shallowly rooted trees, typically blah, 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 blah. Okay, if you want to read that stuff, you can hit pause and we'll get back to it. Okay, let's keep going. Here we go, come on, no, no, other way. That way, goody goody. All right, whoops, okay. Going down. Not really that steep compared to some of the trails I was on back in Canada, but there's a couple of down steps. I still need the camera to go this way. All right. Okay, up again. Yeah, sorry if I'm not really paying attention to what the camera's doing. I kind of like want to watch my footing so I don't fall and get hurt. Fall and die, I really don't care because friggin' I died. I'm not going to care about anything anymore. But fall and hurt, yeah, I'd prefer to avoid that. Nice little hike along the way. I like this kind of stuff. I do. Not really much of a chance to do this kind of hiking in small flatland place that I'm from. So, okay, let's bring the camera up a bit more so you can see more than just the ground. Okay, that's maybe a bit too high. How's that? Yeah, so Lonely Beach was still nice. I'll be back there later today. I might do a video that I'll post tomorrow or whatever while I'm merrily gabbing away. Oops. Big rocks. Oh, always the hard way. Hoof, hoof, up, up. Down, down. All right. Okay, let's try and plan a plan here for moving along. Yep. Yeah, see lots of people wearing flip-flops here. Maybe regretting that decision, I don't know. The one guy I was talking to before seemed to. But I got my good hiking shoes going on, so it's all good. Swaddy cup. Oops. Looks like there's a little spot to rest up there, or a ranger station or something. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, no. There's another billboard here. Hey. Okay. Well, look at that. Back up a little bit. Okay, hopefully you can see. Well, let's try and get more straight up and down on that. Then you can pause and actually read it. Well, hopefully you can read it. There's some pretty bad reflections coming on there. If you can read it, you can read it. Oops, wait a sec. There we go. All right, there's plenty of opportunity for you to pause. Up, 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 up. There we go. To the left, yay. We're getting there, yeah. From the sounds of the creek, I'm not really expecting much out of this waterfall, but we'll see what we see when we get there. Probably would have been better to be here a couple of months ago. My one friend in on the island here a couple of months ago was complaining about rain every day. Haven't really seen exactly a lot of rain since I've been here. Come on, turn that way. Thank you. What do they say about people who talk to inanimate objects? I guess I'm guilty of that. Yeah. Hike. The aggravating part is this really isn't all that long of a hike. I guess, like, I can't say fat because really I'm not. But yeah, I'm just really out of shape. So I'm still breathing a little ahead, and plus 2 walking and talking and all that other fun stuff. Oops. Hey, how you doing?
Hello, how you doing?
Good. Hey, oops, careful. Antalai.
That way.
Yes.
Good way.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Yeah. Not too much farther anyways. Somebody trying to be funny. Yeah, go this way. It'll be the easy way. Not so much. Oh, whichever. Okay. Angle the camera up some. Sign number 4. Okay, let's take a look at sign number 4. Oops, hopefully you can see that all right. Probably not. Come on. Turn that way. Back up a little bit. Okay, there's your pause opportunity. Yeah, I know it's crooked and not level, but oh well. Okay, that's that one. Sign number 4. Oops, other way. Oops. Oh. Thought maybe I had a bug crawling on me. No, it's just sweat rolling down my arms because it is toasty warm and humid. Oh, bit of a breeze, yay. But just loving the toasty warm and humid. That works good for me. I spent an exceptionally long time this winter being cold. So I'll take every bit of being hot and sweaty I can get. Okay. This one looks like it's going to be not a lot of fun. Yeah. Looking up there, a bit of a hike. At least this guy wore the right shoes. See a lot of people wearing flip-flops. All right, up we go. Oh, maybe it would have been easier to go that way. Oh well, whichever. Ooh, dead air. That's a bad thing. But anyways. So it's supposed to be a 500-meter hike. Or 500 or 600, something silly like that. But between pausing at little signs and stuff like that, I see my video is already up to 16 minutes, almost. And I'm not even at the waterfall yet. Hiking through the jungle, hiking through the jungle. Swaddy cup. Sabadi mai.
Very good.
Good. Swaddy cup. Swaddy cup. Oh, big long hike, big long hike. Oh, it's not a big long hike. It's like what, a quarter of a mile. But the legs are getting a workout. Yeah, so I don't remember if I said what resort I'm staying at, but I'm staying at the Mac Resort. Tonight will be my last night there. Then it's on to the next one. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get a place down in Lonely Beach for a couple of days, because the little bungalows the one place had were pretty nice last time I was there. Swaddy cup. Sabadi mai. And yeah, stay there for maybe 1 or 2 more nights before I move on to the next destination. My nice relaxing vacation has... Oh, hey, we're at the waterfall. Yay. All right. Swaddy cup.
Swaddy cup.
How's it going, dude?
Hello, good, good. Very good. Good water. Good try.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. All right. Let's see if I can zoom in on this some. Yeah, that's maybe a bit too much zoomed in, but starts up there, comes down here, but yeah, I think that's not too bad, I guess, for a little waterfall. They say it's a lot more active during rainy season, but wasn't really expecting a whole whack load to begin with. But I'm gonna end the video here and go soak my feet for a couple minutes and relax. So hopefully you enjoyed this somewhat anyways. If you did, please like, share, and if you haven't already, maybe even subscribe. Okay, thanks. Talk to you on the next one.